Away from that, 70% of Kenyans feel devolution has made a difference as it brings services closer to the people, compared to 21% who feel things are worse than before the introduction of devolution in 2013. Despite many Kenyans being happy with devolution as a system of governance, their satisfaction with the performance of devolved functions is still below average at 49%. This is according to a new poll released today by the Infotrak Research and Consulting Company. The poll indicates that the devolved functions that are performing above average include education at 55%, followed by agriculture and roads, and transport at 51%, and culture and sports and environment at 50%. And as the Alice Diana reports, the survey was conducted between July and August 2023 in all the 47 counties, with 37,200 respondents interviewed via phone.
The top performing counties in service delivery in the country are Uasin Gishu and Elgeyo Marakwet. According to the latest poll by research firm Infotrak, the two counties scored 63%, followed by Trans Nzoia at 62%, Kericho at 60%, and Nandi at 59%. Others that made it to the top 10 list are Bomet at 55%, West Pokot at 54%, while Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Embu, Tharaka Nithi, and Baringo tied at position 8 with 53%. According to the Infotrak findings, Meru, Nyandarua, Laikipia, Kiambu, and Migori are the least performing counties with a score of 49% each. While releasing the poll, Infotrak CEO Angela Mbitho noted that Uasin Gishu County and Elgeyo Marakwet counties were rated the best in agriculture at 63%, followed by Trans Nzoia at 62%, Kericho at 60%, while Bungoma and Nandi tied at position 5 with 59%.
But what we have seen with the literature review that we have done is that the counties have also initiated very many mechanisms to ensure that there is sustainable agriculture. They have been providing seeds, they have introduced mechanized farming, they take tractors out to the different residents in the wards of people who are interested in agriculture, they have agricultural extension workers, and they're using those different programs and mechanisms a lot more effectively than you would find in the counties that are not.
Meanwhile, West Pokot has been ranked as the best performing county in health sector, followed by Homa Bay, Tharaka Nithi, Turkana, Kwale, Makueni, Elgeyo Marakwet, and Embu.
With regards to health, the counties that have done very well in the health function from our research are counties that were able to do a couple of things. They were dealing with both the hardware and the software. The hardware being the healthcare institutions themselves, ensuring that there is the infrastructure. The hospitals are there. And they are functioning well. The software is actually ensuring that you have healthcare practitioners. You have doctors, you have nurses and other healthcare, and then you also have the medicines themselves. So what we see, for instance, with the most improved county, Homa Bay, is that they refurbished their level 5 hospital, they constructed new health facilities, they restored essential drug supplies to the facilities across the counties, and we also see the same happening with Mombasa in construction of Miritini and Likoni and streamlining of services across the county.
Regarding education, the top 10 performing counties are West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet, Murang'a, Tharaka Nithi, Kericho, Kwale, Nyandarua, and Kirinyaga. Others were Uasin Gishu, Bomet, Vihiga, Nyeri, Trans Nzoia, and Embu. At the same time, Nyeri County has been rated as the best performing county in roads and transport sector. Kwale, Uasin Gishu, Trans Nzoia, Kirinyaga, and West Pokot led in trade and tourism sector, while Uasin Gishu and Elgeyo Marakwet counties were the best performing in environment.
The first thing that we have seen, and perhaps you also see it because we also come from one county or another, is that an intersection in terms of working relationship between national government and county government is key. So county governments cannot act in a vacuum and say, give us our budgets and our locations, and we will then, perform and deliver to our residents as we will. There is the need of a symbiotic relationship between county and national governments, and we are seeing that those counties that perhaps either by design or by default have a close working relationship with national government also seem to have accrued, benefits in terms of satisfaction that they get.
Alice Diana, Hope TV News Watch.